Not sure how to start this video, but basically, I have Twilight plushie right here, and she is very skinny. She is not fat at all. Look, she's like falling over and stuff. And what I was planning to do was put cotton in the pony. Oh my god, this is a Builder Bear plushie. I just kind of wanted to show the process. I thought it would be fun. Are very weak and are not staying up, just like her. So I got some cotton right here. This is meant to be for your pillows. Cushion filler, very cheap. Also, you can put it in your washing machine. Honestly, I have not opened this. I had this for like months, and I have never got a chance to finally do surgery on Twilight. But of course, you can use any old cotton, such as you can also get like cotton from your old plush. You just like bury deep into it, just pull out the... Wow, Twilight, you're sleeping on my damn cotton. Oh my god, guys, I can't wait to see what's in here. Oh, it's and yet, look, it's just normal cotton inside. See? Okay, I took her accessories off. She looks very naked. I am not used to seeing them like this. Here's her cute little clothes, but that doesn't matter. We need to do surgery on Twilight so she can have body fat. Okay, so here is Twilight, and here is a DJ Pone. This is what Twilight should look like. Hold on, let me just take off the dress. Okay, so this is how Twilight should look like. Very strong, and she is very weak and flimsy, especially her neck. This one is very good. She's just very fragile. She can fall at any moment. Okay, so this is how it originally gets closed. You can see there's like, they sew it here. Oh my god. Whoa! So you can see there's like a white string. Oh god. I feel like I'm just destroying it now. The scissors are too big. They're poking her neck. So, this is... Oh, I took a chunk out of the fabric. The cool thing about these Build-A-Bears is each of them has a heart. That's so cool. Wow. I don't know what this is. What is this? Secret code? Whatever. This is very important to have. Make sure not to lose this. We're going to be putting it in later. What is this? Something... That's what's keeping the wing. See, there's like a wing bone in here. And it's like a square, see? This is what holds the wing. Fascinating. But it's so flimsy, it just kind of got weaker over time and just collapsed. So this is practically useless now. Put cotton inside and see what happens. Oh my god. Make sure she has some in her neck. There we go. Oh my god. Look, it's already getting better. She's not falling on her neck. That's great. Twilight, you're gonna get fat in no time. Okay, so this is how she looks like now. After stuffing her for a bit, as you can see, she is way muscular now, and she cannot fall off. She's so stiff. I hope Twilight likes it. She is a bit fatter, but also her face is actually a bit better, I think. Or maybe I just got used to it. So now we just have to sew it back together. Oh. One more thing. I totally forgot. The heart. There. Now she's alive. I kind of forgot how to do this, so you guys need to tell me if I'm doing it correctly. Oh god, it's stuck already. This is gonna be a nightmare. When it's almost done, I can put some final cotton inside. I think I put too much, and now I can't sew it up. That's okay, it's gonna be covered with clothes anyway, so no big deal. Twilight sure does look like she ate a lot of pies though. Twilight, you're too fat. Guys, this is so sad. I can't sew this hole, there's too much cotton. Hey, it actually didn't turn out that bad. It's pretty good, it's whatever. At least there's no giant gap or anything. It's gonna be covered with clothes.
I ate too much pie.
Damn, look how big and chunky. Damn, look at those muscles. Chest, she's so strong. She's so strong. Okay, so let's just end the day with taking care of the hair. Pretty easy, pretty good. Anyone can do this, but just sewing it back is a bit of a challenge. So for the plushie, I didn't actually use a lot of the cotton I thought I'm gonna be using, because like, I thought this is not enough apparently. I thought this is not enough cotton, but of course it was. This is way enough. And I also got another one because I thought it may not be enough, but of course it is. I still don't know what this is. Okay, I'm just gonna comb the hair and make it look better. Let's see if this works. Oh my god, it's so hot. It's like it's gonna burn the hair. Oh no. It's better on this side. I made the wing hold the hair, and I made the tail like this. Okay, so yeah, the surgery was a success. Everything seems to be working still. And from all this cotton I have left, I could probably make my own plush, which would be an interesting video to make. Twilight is as heavy as DJ, if not better. With her cool outfit and everything. This is way too small for her now. She can't breathe in this sweater. She looks brand new, which is very good. I was not expecting that. So yeah, that's how I restuffed my plushie. It was actually really fun. I might do it again. My other plushies do need to get restuffed as well. Maybe one day I'll be able to restuff Pinkie Pie, because she really needs some cotton, because she keeps falling over. Me and Twilight had such a good time stuffing her. It was so fun. I might do it again. So yeah, thanks so much for watching. I hope you can agree that Twilight looks way better than she did before, if you can remember. She looks so muscular and stronger and thicker, which is always good for a plushie. So yeah, if you have any ideas what I should do next, tell me and leave a like, please. Thank you so much for watching. Blah blah blah. Goodbye. I'm combing the hair.